At Hengst Filtration, we specialize in creating the best filtration solutions for dust applications. Hengst pleated bags will successfully replace the filter bags, having up to 3 times more surface area, reducing the abrasion risk, emission level, and energy consumption. The pleated bags will optimize the existing dust collector, requiring less space, and minimizing the risk of abrasion in comparison with a filter bag. The Hengst pleated bags are easy to install, have a smart design, and require less air for an efficient pulse cleaning. Our newest design provides a star effect in the bottom of the filter, ensuring an even better filtration by releasing all the dust accumulated into the hopper without being trapped on the bottom end cap. This function makes the usage of pleated bags in food and ATEX applications even more suitable. The star bottom end cap, combined with our WellTech technology, provides the optimal solution for a durable multifunctional pleated bag, which is suitable within many application types. Newly certified according to EC 1935, the Hengst filtration pleated bags are now manufactured respecting the highest hygiene requirements, making them suitable for use within food processing industries.